One wrong strike, and the reservoir bursts. He's carving into a living 2,000-year-old titan, fighting a deadline set by the heat. This is a baobab, and in Madagascar wild, this isn't just a tree, it's a biological anomaly. Using only hand axes, he's hollowing out the soft, sponge-like core to create a survival chamber. The risk is total collapse, but the reward is life. Those inner fibers hold over 100,000 liters of ancient water. This creates a natural, pressurized cooling system that stays chilled while the world outside reaches lethal temperatures. It is a house built inside a massive wooden canteen. He isn't just building a room, he's moving inside the source. Would you like to live in a shelter like this?